When design solves problems quietly, this is what it looks like. This is also not a sample layout. This is a real home designed to solve real space and living problems. Every piece here has a purpose, but nothing competes for attention, so your space feels balanced the moment you walk in. In this video, you'll see how you can transform your space step by step using a Japandi approach, so your space feels more refined, calm, and easier to use every day. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. By using warm materials, soft textures, and proper lighting, you create a space that feels right the moment you walk in. So if you want your bedroom to feel calm and layered, this is how you design it. Start with your wall accent. Install a full-height vertical wood slat panel to instantly add texture and create a strong, clean backdrop. Then place a framed abstract artwork in warm neutral tones, so your bed area feels more styled and visually complete. Next, position a low platform bed in a light wood finish to keep the space grounded and modern. Layer it with soft white bedding, then add a textured throw and a mix of neutral pillows to create depth and a more comfortable look. Underneath, place a woven neutral rug to define the sleeping area and add warmth to the flooring. On both sides, use compact nightstands in a wood and white combination to keep the layout balanced. Style them with a small plant and decor pieces to keep the space visually clean. Instead of bulky lamps, hang two warm pendant lights on one side to create a soft glow and free up surface space. Then, a modern ceiling light at the center of the room to provide overall illumination and keep the space evenly lit, especially during nighttime use. Now move to your workspace area. Install a floating desk in a wood finish to keep the layout light and space-saving. Pair it with a simple chair and add a black task lamp so the area becomes functional for work or daily use. Beside it, include a vertical shelving unit with built-in warm lighting where you can display books and decor while adding depth to the corner. Add a small floating shelf above the nightstand with minimal decor like vases and greenery to extend the visual layering of the wall. Then frame your window with full-height curtain in sheer and blackout curtains in soft, neutral tones so you can control light while making the space feel taller and more finished. Now complete your entertainment area. Install a vertical panel detail to subtly continue the texture from the bed area. Mount your TV at a comfortable viewing height so it feels clean and easy to watch without overwhelming the wall. Below it, add a floating console in a wood and white finish to provide storage while keeping the floor area open. Style it with minimal decor like a small vase and sculptural pieces so it feels balanced and uncluttered. Place an indoor plant beside it to soften the edges and bring life into the space. With these changes, your bedroom feels more intentional, more comfortable, and visually refined for everyday living. The estimated total cost for this bedroom setup is around $900 to $1,800, depending on the materials, finishes, and selections you choose. If you have a small space, this is how you design your second bedroom. It needs a smart layout so everything fits right but still works for your daily use. Start with your wall accent. Install a full wood panel behind the bed and integrate a strip lighting as a soft cove light at the top to create a warm glow that instantly adds depth and ambiance. At the center, place a minimal framed artwork to keep the wall clean but visually complete. Next, position a cushioned upholstered bed in a light fabric finish so the space feels soft and comfortable. Layer it with neutral bedding, then add a warm tone throw and mix pillows to introduce subtle contrast. Underneath, place a large textured rug to define the bed area and make the space feel more grounded. On both sides, use matching wooden nightstands with white drawer accents to keep the layout balanced. Style them with simple decor like dried plants and small vases to maintain a clean, cohesive look. Instead of table lamps, hang 2 pendant lights on both sides of the bed to create symmetry and free up surface space. Add a modern ceiling light at the center to provide overall illumination and complete your lighting layers. Then frame your window with full-height curtain in sheer and blackout curtains in soft neutral tones to control light and make the room feel taller. Now move to your storage area. Install a tall wardrobe with a combination of wood and light panels, so it blends seamlessly with the space while providing enough storage. To soften the corner, include an indoor plant to bring in a natural element and balance the clean lines of the space. With these changes, your second bedroom feels warmer, more cohesive, and designed for both comfort and everyday use. The estimated total cost for this second bedroom setup is around $850 to $1,400, depending on the materials, finishes, and selections you choose. If your space feels tight, this is how you make it feel more open and spa-like. By using clean finishes, proper layout, and simple details, you get a space that feels more relaxed every day. Start with your base finishes. Use large format neutral tiles on both your walls and flooring to create a seamless and cohesive look, making the space feel bigger and easier to maintain. For your ceiling, install recessed lights to provide even illumination and keep the space looking clean and uncluttered. Now move to your vanity area. Install a floating countertop in a textured stone or terrazzo finish, then use 2 rectangular vessel sinks to maximize function without crowding the space. Pair them with matte black wall-mounted faucets for a clean, modern look. Add a full-width mirror above to reflect light and visually expand the room. Below, include a solid wood open shelf where you can neatly place folded towels and a storage tray for everyday items. On the side wall, install minimal black hooks for hand towels so everything stays accessible but uncluttered. Now move to your wet area. Enclose the shower and tub with a clear glass partition framed in black to define the zone without making the room feel smaller. Inside, place a built-in bathtub with a wall-mounted shower system so you combine relaxation and daily function in one layout. Add slim metal rack for your bath essentials to keep surfaces clean. Beside it, use a wall-mounted toilet to keep the floor visually open and easier to clean. Above, install a wood cabinet with open shelving so you gain hidden storage while still allowing styled display for toiletries. With these changes, your toilet and bath feels more refined, more functional, and visually elevated for everyday use. The estimated total cost for this toilet and bath setup is around $700 to $1,500, depending on the materials, finishes, and selections you choose. Now your space doesn't just look better, it feels better to use every day. Everything is more organized, more comfortable, and designed with purpose. If you're planning your own transformation, start with how you use your space daily and build your design around that. If you want a clear plan before you spend, this is where you can start. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.